How to send cookies in a post request with the Python requests library. I'm trying to use the requests library to send cookies with a post request, but I'm not sure how to actually set up the cookies based on its documentation. The script is for use on Wikipedia, and the cookies that need to be sent are of this form. However, the requests documentation quickstart gives this as the only example. How can I encode a cookie like the above using this library? Do I need to make it with Python standard cookie library, then send it along with the post request?
The latest release of Request will build cookie jars for you from simple dictionaries. Enjoy, smiley face.
Just to extend on the previous answer, if you are linking two requests together and want to send the cookies returned from the first one to the second one, for example, maintaining a session alive across requests, you can do.
If you want to pass the cookie to the browser, you have to append to the headers to be sent back. If you're using WS, I'm successfully able to authenticate with Bugzilla and Twiki hosted on the same domain. My Python WS script is running by passing auth user password to my Python script and pass the cookies to the browser. This allows me to open the Bugzilla and Twiki pages in the same browser and be authenticated. I'm trying to do the same with Sootcom, but I'm having trouble with Sootcom accepting the session cookies obtained from the Python script even though it has successfully authenticated.
The best practice of sending a request alongside with a cookie would be using the session object, so that you would not need to parse the cookie every time for a request. As an example,
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.